You put a description of what the picture is behind it, so that if it doesn't load, they know what the picture is. And another thing that you can do is that you should put a web address in the first picture that is to your website, in the first picture that's in your newsletter. Because the web address, the pictures, all of the pictures are clickable links. So people can click on that picture and it'll take them wherever you want it to go. So if you put your web address in there, it becomes another link back to your website, so that helps your SEO rating for your website. So it's another link that's out there because your email, like we said before, is HTML, so it's a web page. So you've got another web page now that's linking back to your website. So if you haven't looked into search engine optimization yet, in starting your business and getting your website up and running, it's an important thing in helping with your search rankings. So if being able to be found when someone does a Google search is important to you, then you'll want to understand what SEO is and do some things to improve what you're doing with your website.